Hi y'all, it's Jaya Aston, your senior class president. Our prom theme this year is Great Gatsby, so get ready to party like it's 1925. Join us for a dazzling night filled with glitz, glamour, and the timeless elegance of the jazz age at the Woodlands Resort and Conference Center on May 2nd from 7:30 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. Get your tickets and guest tickets on School Cash online for $120 before April 30th. The price goes up to $150 at the door. But if you already paid your senior dues, you're safe. And don't forget your student ID. You need it to claim your tickets on prom night. Dress in your finest flapper dresses, sharp tuxedos, and roaring 20s inspired fashion. This night will be remembered as one for the ages.
I joined welding because it was a way for me to do art, because welding is an art. People don't think of it as that. But I joined welding for the money and how it can make me a better person by playing with fire. I've been in welding since my sophomore year, starting out with Mr. Hom, and ever since then I've been with Dutton. I always felt welding is a first nature to me, really, because I fell in love with it at the first strike of an art. I'm doing welding as a career. Out of high school, I already have a welding job, and I have many more jobs after that planned. Welding is what they expected it to be based off all the videos and how it was, by playing with fire, striking arcs, making puddles of metal. My favorite part is the people that's in it, because no matter how, it's always gonna be a competition, a friendly competition. Just who's best, because welding, you gotta be the best you can.
I started when I was a young kid with my uncle. He taught me, and then I went on, pursued a college career, and then fall back into welding after I got my college degree. We try to form a family environment back here, so different people get to meet different people. That's my favorite part, is when they come together and the chemistry's there and they're all making friends. Safety is very important in this class. I take safety very seriously. They call what it is PPE, personal protection equipment, safety glasses. All the welders in here have to wear their safety glasses. Eyes are they're not very easy to exchange, you know what I mean? I mean, you got good vision, you want to keep it. They have to make a 100% tool test on every tool that they use in here, which would be an angle grinder, band saws, chop saws, any hand tools, power tools, grinders, that kind of thing. The biggest accident I have so far was a student getting a thumb stuck into a sander, yanked off the thumb nail. Scared you there for a minute, didn't I? We do try to teach careers. So what is it really like in the job environment? That's what we try to duplicate here. We try to duplicate the environment of a factory, getting the job. That's just basically it. Just learning how to cope with other workers, how to cope in the working field. The best welding project I've seen so far is a fountain where it had the cowboy scenes in the middle of it. She took a long time doing it. It was turned out to be really, really good. I love it. I love it. I wouldn't want to do anything else.
Reed Roberts.
Mikey Grayson.
Before the game, I usually go home and take a nap and then get ready for the game.
Yeah, go home, get something to eat, and then just stretch a little bit.
What positions do y'all play?
Pitcher.
Outfield and pitcher.
Yes, at Redlands Community College for a couple years.
Yes, Angelina College.
Just watching the game on TV.
My dad and my older cousin.
Back to the top of the lineup.
My dad always loved the game and always pushed me to be the best I could be. And then my cousin, he played pro ball for the Cardinals, so I've always looked up to him.
Winning district last year.
Yeah, winning district last year. Be a dog and just think you're the best on the field.
Everyone's a pretty good teammate and positive around each other.
Yeah, just positive atmosphere.
That I can do more than I expect myself to do.
That I can push my limits and be the best in the field.
The Cubs.
The Astros.
Grew up watching them.
Grew up watching them.
Taking their time to get in the box.
Yeah, just all the drip, all the accessories being overdone.
Winning.
Winning, being the best on the field.
should definitely do it because it gets pretty fun.
Yep, you should do it. Just have fun on the field with your friends and teammates.
My name is Ms. Ballesty, and I teach Algebra 2 and college prep math. This would be my 9th year teaching. I became a teacher so that I can help the students. I love to help people and make them feel good about learning something new and showing them that they can do something in their life, something different and difficult. Students will generally probably never use this particular math in their adult life, and that is something I have no problem telling them and expressing every day. It's very challenging, and unless they are in some type of a math-based career or path, they will not use this. However, what I really try to emphasize in the classroom is the problem-solving skills that they learn from going through these types of math problems. They will have to navigate challenges and problems and have to break things down and be detail-oriented, and that's what high school math teaches their students. After high school, I went to Stephen F. Austin University in Nacogdoches, Texas, and I received my bachelor's degree in criminal justice. Do I use that degree to teach math? No. I did begin my master's in public administration, so I did know early on in life that I wanted to work in the public sector and help individuals and gear towards success there. My life outside of school is really busy. I spend my time hanging out with my kids, my family, and it's really good. Just very busy, but very fulfilling. The stress that students give me, it's a daily basis. Do they give me stress, if not each hour? Generally, it's manageable, but I divulge in chocolate. Chocolate is my secret weapon to handle and process all the stress. But I also reflect on my day and remind myself that they are just kids and we are here to help them make better choices, educate them in more than just what we get from our notes and our homework. So that's something I do reflect on the daily, is that they're just kids and we can be here to help better them. From the workload, just take one thing at a time and make sure we're getting everything done that we possibly can. That is a priority, and always staying ahead. That helps too. The kids, they can make or break your day, and they usually do, all within a school day. They are my favorite part and why I come back. Every day is different, even though we teach the same thing year after year. The kids are always different, and they do make it a genuine experience. They're hilarious. They don't even know how funny they are, but they will tell you what's on their mind, and it's never dull. So they're the best part of this. I got into teaching because I love the kids. I really enjoy helping individuals and seeing them be successful in a topic or a subject that they've always hated, and it's really uplifting and fulfilling to see them be successful in something they didn't think that they could tackle, and to help them break things down and process through challenging problems. That's why I became a math teacher.